Hello, hello. I'm so excited. Goodnotes 6 has an update. I just want to show you the new menu because it's changed and it's really cool. So let's have a look. All right, so this is just a video that I'm going to make shortly about my digital tech stack. But I just thought I'd use this page to show you because as you will know, on this page, you've got highlighting and you've got text so far. I haven't got any typing on here at the moment, but there's those two. So I'm on the lasso select tool and I'm just going to go around this, what I've got here. See how it can move? If I tap, once I've lassoed, if I tap, this is the menu that comes up here. Now, let me just move it a bit. Here we go. Going across the top, this is an amazing little AI space. Ask Goodnotes over here, right? We're not going to do that, but you can close this window by tapping on the little, what would we call that? A speech bubble with the little stars in it because it's about AI, right? So back on here, if we want to tap on it again, this is the color tool. Now it's selected the highlighter. So if I change the color, I'm actually going to change the highlighter color, right? So I will do it just for the sake of it, just to show you. Don't love that, but that's okay. We can, you know what we can do? We can just undo. Perfect. So now, again, oh my gosh, some of this stuff is amazing. What Goodnotes can do is incredible. So this is a text editing function, the A with the little bar next to it. And this is all the things you can do in text editing. You can change the color, you can change the, my mind's gone blank. Left aligned, the alignment. Left, center, right. And if you go into the three dots, you've got more options yet again. So cool. So, and that's for the text of that. Let's just go in here, tap it. Now you can actually alter and skew how the frame looks. So you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, right? You can twist and turn it. Right. Let me just, I want it to be straight. So I'm just gonna put it back there. And then when it's still not properly straight, but when I do it again, if I tap it and go to those handles, I can get it. Yeah, that'll be fine. All right. Now, what else is in this little menu? You can cut it. I know you all know what that one is. You can copy it and you can duplicate it. So copy is for pasting, cutting is for deleting, copying is for pasting later on another page. And so like if we copied it now and then we went and added a page, current template, go there, long press, you've got here, paste, you can grab it again, or you can just duplicate it on the same page. So if we go back to our overview, come back here, you could, I'm in select mode still, you could tap it, duplicate it, and you've got another one there. Let's tap that one and delete it. All right. Whoa, what is that? Nothing. Sometimes it has a ghost of something and you might just flick between pages to get rid of it. All right, you can delete it. And then this is a further menu. Now, a lot of this stuff is duplicated. So up the top here, again, cut, copy, duplicate, and delete. You've already seen those. Bring to front and center back. That's really useful because normally you have access to that in a graphics program, right? So Goodnotes is giving you access to that. Ask Goodnotes, that's the same function as this one. Edit handwriting, same function as that third one with the A. Resize, you've got the resize there. Color, you've got the color over there. Take a screenshot, that's really cool. Very useful in this day and age. Add an element. So elements are over here, up the top there. And they've got all your stickers and your pictures, all the good stuff. And convert to text, which is amazing in Goodnotes. It has a superior OCR, optical character recognition function, where it can look through every single thing you've handwritten as well as typed and find your text for you, which is amazing. So just wanted to show you that. It's the new menu, looks so cool. And yeah, they've added even more stuff. Thanks, Goodnotes.